but not least, we'll go to the bedrooms. I'm gonna kind of do this quick.
Holy cow, you get this hole?
I just found a vent that goes to downstairs.
Well, I just found a hole in the floor that goes straight to the basement.
A hole in the floor
Oh, yes.
that goes straight to the basement.
About 6 inches diameter. Right in the middle of the tile here.
Oh, how about that? I don't know how we missed that the first time.
Yeah, I turned off the light switch down there.
Holy
It's
cow.
still lit up down there though.
Well, I got it plugged in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, guys. We'll do a quick run through the bedrooms and we'll be done. I wonder if this is a hole too.
I don't know.
I thought it was real stone, but now after walking over it a couple times, I don't think so.
Yeah, that's not stone. That's just vinyl.
Bathroom.
I guess if there is something really bad there.
Carpet destroyed.
I love the cabinetry though.
It could be brought back. It's just going to take some money.
It's going to take a lot of money.
Bunch of bugs in the window over there.
Nice modern sink and the countertops are really beautiful.
Look, wet floor over here.
Yeah.
Did you see that? Oh.
I see that now.
You can see where the smoke and soot from the fireplace, and then when they repainted some.
Well, to tell you the truth, I actually had smoke.
Bedrooms are little. Little.